Good morning to everyone. I am Lady Cadet Pallavi from Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College, Bongir. Today I am here to speak on the topic Life of Physics. Importance of physics and how physics plays a vital role in everyone's life. From the first sleeping swing as soon as we born till the people carrying us balanced to the graveyard after our death, we would come across physics all the time in our life. To tell in simple way, look at the things in your room. Those things would come across physics in at least one stage during their manufacturing process. If you want to know the future of humankind, first you should be able to understand the physics. All the forces in the nature would be explained by one theory set by Aristotle. He also given two laws that all the things on the earth are attracted towards earth, and he also told that moving object after traveling certain distance get tired and stop moving. But Newton proved those laws are wrong. And after 2000 years, Newton observed the apple falling from the tree, and he also posed a question himself that in the same way will the moon to fall down? 10 lakhs before, many people impressed by the question of Newton, and it was an important question which struck millions of intellectuals. He wanted to track the motion of moon, so he invented calculus. So you would understand that he would track the motion of moon as well as the motion of satellites. Newton discovered reflecting telescope. He tracked the motion of moon, which is exactly equals to his mathematical equation. He published a book, Principia, which consists mathematics and scientific principles. Today, the launching of rocket don't use Einstein principles, but we use Newton's laws of gravity. For example, if we take a 1,000 floors building, we would be amazed by seeing that building. But the construction of that building is based on Newton's laws of gravity. And every brick of the apartment obeys Newton's laws of gravity. There are 4 forces in the world. The first one is the gravitational force. This force was unlocked by the Newton. And next is the electromagnetic force, which is ruling the country till today. Michael Faraday, a scientist, in the public demonstration, he put a metal wire in the magnetic field and then pushed electrons and produced an electric current. 25 years back, our grandparents, and today there are some people using bicycles which have Faraday current. Moving magnetic current creates magnetic field. In the same way, moving electric field creates magnetic field. The magnetic field and the electric field formed a wave which results in the electromagnetic field. Then Maxwell came into existence and he wanted to find the velocity of the wave. In this, he came to know that the speed of the light and the wave is same. He also said that electromagnetic wave is nothing but light. God has created the world. Firstly, he created light. God has told few words regarding light. The 4-dimensional divergence of an anti-symmetric second-rank tension is equals to 0, and there is a light. There are 4 equations in the physics like del dot E, del dot B, del cross E and del cross B. In the world, no physicist without these equations cannot finish their degree. The byproduct of the electromagnetic force is internet. Internet is playing a vital role till today. There are another forces like the third force is the nuclear force. There are 2 forces, weak nuclear force and the strong nuclear force. Do you know why the sun is burning continuously? The sun is burning continuously due to nuclear force. The nature consists matter and energy. If one thing is in a negative, the other should be positive. If we take an electron which has negative charge, and there should be another alternative that is positron which have positive charge. There should be matter and antimatter which would exist in the nature. Simply we could say if God is matter, then devil is the antimatter. When matter and antimatter collide, it generates a huge amount of energy. In order to apply this sample principle, they created Hadron Collider. It is a big machine and the circumference of the machine is nearly 130 kilometers. They send 2 proton beams into opposite direction and they make them to collide. Then at the time released energy of Big Bang occurs and a world created. In this world, the Big Bang was created and where the energy has got is gained by Hadron Collider. There are many universe exist. It is multiple universe. There seems to be soap bubbles. The point at which two soap bubbles combine to form one soap bubble and one soap bubble split to form two soap bubbles, the point is called Big Bang. The universe get affected due to partial freeze after few years from now. That means all the species would die. So there is a need to travel into another universe from it. Then how can we go? The shortest distance between the path is straight line. It is impossible to travel a long distance, so they created a shortest distance with the help of wormhole. For example, if we take, this is our universe and this is another universe which is in the form of a soap bubble. It is impossible to travel this longer distance having a straight line. So with the help of wormhole, we could travel a shorter distance in this way. In this way, we could travel a shortest distance within less time. In future, we will definitely do it. Time travel is 100% possible now. Till now, we have discussed 4 laws like gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. But scientists are researching today to find the 5th force. It may be psychic force related to mind only. Higher dimensional force, the psychic force, we may find the 5th force, or it may be changed tremendously the status of the humankind. But one thing you remember that if we do not develop mentally and thought-wise, if we are equal, we are equal to a living dead. Though we invent 5th force or a 58th force. Thank you and Jai Hind.